What?
Hi, besties.
Bestie, can you hear me?
Yes, I was pressing record. Okay, hello. Today
Sorry.
I'm on a party with my bestie, Slay, and we'll just be playing Roblox.
Sorry, hello. Okay, what are we playing? Murder Mystery Affair.
I'm in Murder Mystery. Guys, I'm innocent. This is like my first ever MM2 video.
I'm gonna tell you.
Because I've been posting Toka content recently. So this is like my first Roblox video I've posted in a while.
Okay, so for now, I don't. Oh, it's a guy in the pizza shirt, red hair,
So
cloud.
basically an emo 5-year-old.
No, a red
Yeah.
hair like a starter noob outfit.
Oh, that guy, see it. See him. Ooh. Oh my god. By the way, guys, we're just teaming for fun. Because,
We don't really team.
yeah, we're not really teaming. We're just trying to farm, basically.
Yeah.
So it might seem like teaming,
We
but we're not.
sometimes do team, but
Yeah, but it's just for fun.
yeah, we don't try to ruin people's fun. I mean, we do accidentally sometimes. Because people get mad at us for teaming.
Where's the sheriff?
No.
Collecting coins. This emo is behind me, bro.
Who?
An emo. Oh, I see him. I see murderer. Or did he kill sheriff?
Yeah,
Oh,
no,
I see.
Sheriff's the one here. He's AFK quickly.
What? What is that hitbox? What is that hitbox? What is that hitbox? What is that hitbox? Oh my god. And the camper also. Oh my gosh. Camping.
Did somebody type?
Yeah, he said, are you for real?
Say, I bet your parents can't even track your Gracie.
No, it was a different girl.
Oh.
Not the guy who's literally camping.
Did she mean like for real? Like, oh, for real?
No, she meant to the murderers, like, are you for real, you're camping?
Who said that?
The girl that the last girl that's alive. That's not the murderer. Bro's so bad at MM2. Bro's so bad at MM2.
Let's just join a diff server, honestly.
Okay.
Let's just join a diff server, though.
Yeah.
I can't start with camping.
Yeah, because, like, bro, if you're gonna be so bad at the game, then just leave, honest.
Then just don't play it, though.
Yeah.
Like, I used to camp when I was little, like, when we started it, but, like, make camping at a various big age, oh my god.
Bro, this just leaked my
No
address.
offense, but he should actually try and practice. Like, if you're bad at the game, there's no point playing it.
There's a vacuum cleaner in the background. Oh my god, I'm so sorry, guys.
Huh?
Oh my gosh, this is gonna ruin my footage. You know. Let me lock my door. Okay, Slay. What are you?
You know.
Same. You know. Sorry, guys. This vacuum cleaner is gonna ruin my footage. Oh my gosh. Oh no. Ooh, Slay! Slay! Coffee girl, you ate that up.
Lol.
Lol.
Let me say GG.
Yeah. GG's.
Always say GG.
GG's. Mom.
Always say GG because that's a good game.
Yeah.
Oh, this one's a hard one, but factory, yeah.
Factory. It's better
Factory
for being
was
mad.
always my childhood one. I still love Factory, Mansion 1 and Mansion 2, but...
My favorite maps are factory, military base, and mansion and house.
Oh yeah, I never thought of military base. Yeah, it's good.
It's good, yeah. Okay, come on, give me murderer. You know. Do I have haste?
Huh?
Yeah. I just wasted my time on buying a haste.
But no way my brother gave me an orange set. Put W brother in the comments.
Yeah. Guys, everyone put W brother in the comments because he gave
me an orange
set.
set. He gave me an orange set, which is
yeah, he's W.
Wait, guys,
that's a good deal.
I'll train my bestie and I'll show how it looks to her.
Yeah,
this is an orange set.
Yeah, it's a godly.
It's not a godly, but it's like a very good one. It's something like a chroma or a godly, but it's something close to a chroma.
Chroma is an effect, though.
Oh.
Like, you can have a godly chroma.
Yeah, I mean the godly chroma. It's close, but it's not exactly that either.
Wait.
But one thing, you know, if you guys team...
Yeah.
Okay, you know, guys, if you team, if you're so bad at the game, why do you even play it?
Yeah.
Like, there's so many other games. Like, there's practice with bots, which that I used to play, and it helped. But, like, honestly, I didn't see the point of, you know. Sorry if you hear my parents in the background. Bestie, go up on the TV.
Oh, it will be.
By the way, we're not revealing each other's names.
Yeah, we're not.
Or if you hear my parents in the background. I'm in a. By the way,
totally not sheriff.
Come, I want to show them the painting I found.
Yeah, this is Starry Night by... I don't know. Is it Van Gogh? I don't know.
Put in the
I have
comments
no idea.
Also what you think this portrait is made by. I know it's a guy who has a mustache, definitely.
Yeah, maybe it's Da Vinci or Van Gogh.
Suspicious. Run!
Yeah, run. Oh!
No, they're chasing me.
Wow! Hitbox shrinker. Run. Hitbox shrinkers are scary even if they're not mad. They're disgusting. It's probably this AFK guy. Oh, it's not the AFK guy, noted.
I know who's mad.
Who?
It's a guy with a dress.
It's a maid outfit guy.
No offense, but he's got a black face.
It's a gay. Right.
I don't know.
The murderer is gay.
Stop. Drop it to the floor like the way your goes. All I want is drop. Sorry for my singing. I sing better, but y'all tell me if this is good for a opera, which is coming in
Goosey gander.
No, I mean the riddle song. I mean the riddle song first.
Oh.
3, 2, 1. Man stood in
the forest, but never spoke.
He wrapped himself up tight in his red. Bestie, you're going slow. You need to go quick.
Okay.
Because the little man, who can you be?
Oh,
No, let me sing it. So it goes, little man, who can you be? Are you just another tree? No, it's not a long tree. Look, listen to my book. Look, listen. A monster in the
Girl, do your
fire
homework.
never spoke. He wrapped himself up tight in his red cloak. Little man, who can you be? Are you just another tree? Oh, mill base.
Did you bring that crimson cloak?
Sun cloak. You had a
Did
voice
you
crack.
bring
Let's start
that
it from the start.
crimson cloak
Bestie.
for me? Ew, hitbox shrinker.
I'm in there.
You know. That guy's a hitbox shrinker, so I just said ew. Like, bro, if you're that bad, just leave.
Can I tell you guys a very good fact?
Oh, of course, the hitbox shrinker is mad.
Wait, can I tell them a fact? Oh my gosh, the hitbox shrinker is mad.
Yup, I know. I'm skipping.
Wait, let me make him rage quit.
One leg and took his nap and hit his glassy eye with his black cap.
I just jump on his head.
Nah. If I wake you tap, would your little leg
Bestie,
know?
let's sing it as you sing it in class. Okay, 3. I haven't even started singing. No, that's like...
Yeah, there is.
3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. A man stood in the forest but never spoke. Why aren't you singing?
I'm focusing.
Ooh. Spam jump.
No, that's bad. I'm
It's
doing
not.
it anyway, help.
You'd be like, it's bad. And then you start it.
What is that hitbox?
That was from 1 million pounds away. If you're literally hitbox shrinker, why even play it if you're so bad?
Literally.
Like, go get a job. You could also get a life.
Wait. You have a grow a garden. You have a grow a garden raccoon avatar.
They aren't even
You're
that cute
in
anyway.
The wrong game. Bro, why does it keep auto-correcting to these weird stuff?
I know. Let's just play it in a different server.
Bro has a blue set and thinks he's tough.
Wait, let's join a different server.
Yeah.
I literally hate it though.
Literally.
They have like a hitbox shrinker. Why even play that game if you're so bad? And can I tell them a trick? It's a tip.
Yeah.
Why do I keep all of a sudden rhyming? Anyways. Come.
How much battery do I have for 6?
Okay, today I'll be showing you a little tip. So, in MM2, if you don't hear a murder sound, and there's a person AFK, and if you don't hear it for about 2 minutes, you might as well go shoot the AFK person, because they could just be murder.
Who the flip is that guy? Back off.
I don't know.
Back off, bro. This ain't your girlfriend.
He just left.
Yeah, that's disrespectful.
I know.
By the way, guys, I think this video will be about 15 to 20 minutes long. So this is one of my longer videos.
Okay, now there's Bacon, him, Serena, Samira. Just send me a friend request. No, I'm not accepting.
Yeah. I'm gonna make a really cool thumbnail for this video. Slay.
I'm in front. Oh my gosh, remember when I got murdered 3 times?
Yes, in a row as well. My bestie probably can't hear me because I'm cropping this for my thumbnail.
Bestie! Bestie!
I'm just cropping stuff for my thumbnail. I'm just making my thumbnail.
I was so surprised.
I'm just making my thumbnail, so sorry if I
I'm gonna go to my desk real quick and grab my mint. And if you guys love my bestie's videos,
Sorry that you can't hear my bestie. I'll just tell her to say it again. I'm just getting stuff for my thumbnail. Because now I've actually started making thumbnails, so... Just trying to get stuff for it. Like my inventory and stuff.
for my minute. How delicious.
Sorry that. Say something again.
Loki,
say
goodbye.
the, like if you love my bestie's videos, because I was cropping stuff for my thumbnail, so I couldn't hear you.
Oh, if you love my bestie's videos with me, then please leave a like and subscribe. Not begging, but if you would, then I would really appreciate it. Thank you.
Yeah, we would definitely appreciate it.
I said something else, but doesn't matter.
If I randomly stop talking or something, then I'm probably just getting stuff for my thumbnail. So that's
Alright. Sorry. Oh,
what the flip?
the bacon rolls matter.
That's insane.
The way she killed this girl but kept moving. This girl kept moving.
Smooth, I guess.
Oh my god.
Let me take a pic of your avatar because you look so slay. Wait, let's get a nice background. Under here. Under here. Okay. And go. Okay, slay that pose, girl. Okay. Now let me get a pic of
behind
mine.
Sorry about that. Okay. Okay. All right.
I'm getting also a pic of mine. Mother one.
So today, wait, Laura,
Yeah.
come. Sorry, Bestie.
Come in. Yeah, that's my nickname, by the way, guys. So that's not real. My real name. It is
Anyways,
like a
Bestie.
nickname. Yeah.
You know on Tube,
Yeah.
you know, every time it's like, please subscribe and leave a like if you love God or if you love your parents. Dude, the Bible never said that.
Yeah, literally.
Like, they're literally using AI to make God say, if you love me, you're like, huh.
Murder around.
And I'll take the gun.
Sure. Bacon Girl has gun, I think.
She doesn't. Oh, there's a girl past you.
Worst map to be murderer, by the way. What is that one? Okay, whatever. This girl just wants
Throw
to
it.
shoot me. I'm
Throw
trying
it.
to, but they just keep spam jumping. Oh, sorry.
You
I
didn't
thought I
kill
killed
me.
you. Did I kill you?
No.
Oh, thought I did.
There's a man up there. Get him.
Bro has a gun. Whatever. I think I got enough photos for my thumbnail, so I'm not gonna take any. Factory.
Oh, it's versus mill base versus factory.
No, I vote for factory. I'll be sad.
Fine, then I'll double vote.
Don't respawn. Don't respawn.
I literally double voted.
Oh, good.
One for mill base and one for factory.
Yeah, let's see which one wins. Oh,
I'm mad.
you know. Let me get the gun, okay?
Alright, bet.
Wait, but who's killing who at the end?
Cute Sally about to pull gun out. Wait, I'm literally near that guy who killed you. I killed him. Sorry, that's you.
How much sheriff ones do you have?
Huh?
How much sheriff ones do you have?
Let's have a look. 11.
I have 10. Can I have that one, please?
No.
Aww.
Sorry, but what's your name?
Please.
No.
Fine.
Thank you. Maybe next time.
But next time. Bro, what do you mean I'm not murderer? This girl's trying to shoot me. Go! Go, I'm not murderer. What are you talking about? Let me get the gun.
Where is she?
Got the gun.
Wait, how'd she die?
I don't know. She just died.
Is there anyone else? Wait, Bestie. Bestie, let's do the thing we did last time.
No,
Stop.
that would just look too obvious.
No, stop. Then let's just do it whilst walking. Bestie, you need to stay in outside.
Oh my god.
Are you actually trying to shoot me?
No, just making it like not that obvious.
I'm making it look like I'm stuck.
You can kill me when I get a full coin bag.
I don't want to kill. Let me just start to spam throw on this bench thing.
Try to not make it obvious.
I mean, if this looks... Look at that!
No, it says hero victory. But did it actually count that? No, it didn't. Good.
Sorry.
I need 6 coins to get my Valentine's box.
Wait, let me check how much I need.
How much?
I'm on 83 out of 240.
Okay, let's open them at the same time. I hopefully get the godly, because once I was really close to getting a godly by 1 centimeter, but instead I got a stupid heart skin.
Have you got a vid of it?
No. Because I didn't know it would even happen.
Oh, well, you could have recorded and you could have put it on your postcard,
I
whatever.
did comment on some videos and some of my subscribers saw it, but... Oh, do you know that one of the people in my sister's class is like my biggest fan?
Who?
I think it's Finley. No, that's his nickname. Hold up. I think it's like Finn. Finley is like a nickname for him.
By the way, I'm on Inno.
I'm Inno too.
My dog smells good.
Oh! Oh, okay, let's not go there.
Who? Why? Whoa.
Okay, I got my Valentine's box, but I'm not going to open it. Let's open it at the same time.
You're sweet. Let me go look for coins when there's barely any coins.
Literally. There's some downstairs.
It's like a deserted island.
Yeah. It's like
That
the
you
coin
need water, but
decided
you
that they're
find
going to
no
escape.
water. Let me get this one.
Finally, you have some. Ah!
You can get this one. I found the gun.
Give me. Aww.
I got it.
Hopefully you don't die, so you can shoot the murderer.
I literally shooted them.
What has happened? I'm lagging.
I shot the wrong person. Bestie, did you get the gun?
I'm lagging. I freezed. My game freezed. My whole screen freezed.
Reset.
Oh my god.
What?
Ah. Damn it. I thought my iPad out of charge for a second. I was like, oh, hell now. Let me check how much recording I have. Because I need to stop about 20 minutes. 27. 30 minutes is okay. I have 3 more minutes.
Hey.
Okay. My game crashed. Basically, my game crashed.
That happened to me so many times. Do you want me to leave to make you feel better?
Huh?
Do you want me to leave? Do you want me to leave to make you feel better?
No.
So the look has increased less.
Okay, guys, so that's it for part 1 of this video. I'm going to record the next video, which is another 30 minutes.
Look,
because I don't want to make it 1
this is
hour,
my
because
good-
I'm basically a channel for
Wait,
kids.
guys, wait.
Say
let me
bye,
show my
say
dance.
bye.
Let me show my dance for a goodbye.
Okay.
Okay, thank you guys for coming. We really appreciate your support. Thank you for watching these vids and subscribing and liking. Really like everything you did for us. Anyways, this is my final dance. Drop it to the floor like the way you.
Ooh, let's go. Let's get those angles.
All I want is drop it to the floor like the way you goes. Okay, thank you.
Okay. Stay tuned for part 2.